CSW really teaches you how to learn rather than how to memorize and get by. It's really challenging, but I think the freedom to be able to make your own schedule and to sculpt around what you're interested in makes people want to push themselves more. I went to a 3-week program at Brown, which was this full-on collaborative medical experience, which is sort of where you get to go to medical school for 3 weeks. That was like my dream. I absolutely loved it. We got to shadow doctors. When I dissected the cadaver, I was like, there is truly no experience like this, because you don't know if you love it until you're doing it. I approached a teacher and I was like, I would love to be able to do more of this and to show other students what I love. And she was like, let's start a class. So we met for a month and planned out an entire curriculum. People signed up and we started teaching. It was just fantastic. I learned way more about dissections in teaching other people what I already knew. And I think that's so important because you're not just sitting in a classroom and getting lectured by a teacher, but you're actually doing what you love and passing it on to other people.